Want to know why 80% of businesses fail at digital marketing? They treat it like traditional marketing with a digital paint job. But here's the secret. Most marketing courses won't tell you. Digital marketing isn't just about being online, it's about leveraging real-time data in ways that were impossible just a decade ago. Digital marketing is a powerful ecosystem of 6 interconnected elements. First, SEO helps you rank higher in search results without paying for ads. Second, PPC advertising gives you immediate visibility, but at a cost per click. Third, content marketing builds trust through valuable information. Fourth, social media marketing amplifies your message across platforms. Fifth, email marketing delivers personalized messages directly to interested prospects. And sixth, analytics ties everything together, showing exactly what's working and what isn't. This matters more than ever because consumer behavior has fundamentally shifted online. Digital marketing gives you unprecedented targeting abilities, reaching specific demographics with tailored messages at the perfect moment. For university students, this field offers both entrepreneurial opportunities and high-demand career paths. Plus, unlike traditional marketing, every digital campaign can be measured with precise ROI metrics. Even small businesses can now compete with industry giants through strategic, cost-effective digital campaigns. If you're interested in exploring digital marketing further, start by experimenting with one component that aligns with your interests. Follow me for more practical digital marketing insights that you can apply immediately. And remember, in today's economy, digital marketing skills aren't optional, they're essential.